Okay, Wind Week. Are we ready for Wind Week? This is a really, of course, I'm gonna say every week is fun. They're all unique and they're all lovely. So Wind Week, overview here, we have some really sweet things as well. Wind Week is also another very kind of calm, rhythmical week, and you'll see some repeated recipes and some just very easy things. So Spice Week and Wind Week are a really nice out breath. And then you'll see that Pumpkin Week and Lantern Week kind of gear up again with a lot more kind of seasonal themed things. So we kind of have this breathing built in within the curriculum itself. So you'll notice some familiar things in this week as well, and that is intentional. So Brother Wind, this story is a really great story of Pettipom getting swept up in the wind. This one kind of reminds me of Pooh and the Blustery Day and Piglet getting swept up. So Pettipom gets swept up and Hamilton rescues him and saves him from being swept up into the birch tree. And then there's a very tender moment of Thumbkin comforting Pettipom with our Have Courage song, which that Have Courage song is just so sweet and such a good reminder for all of us these days, really. So Brother Wind, we have this lovely story of we're really beginning to feel the change of season now. Brother Wind is blowing in, the autumn princess is changing the colors of the leaves. We have his song, and Pettipom gets swept up, and Hamilton hears him, dashes up the tree, brings him inside, and Thumbkin comforts him. And at the end of this story, we kind of get a little peek deeper into kind of the world of Wondergarten with our All the World You Know song. And this is Thumbkin kind of telling Hamilton a little bit more about their world in Wondergarten, and that Brother Wind and Sister Rain, they're all these personified characters and they really become alive to them. So it is a really beautiful song there that we end that story with. So let me little sip here. Our songs this week are Brother Wind and Have Courage. So Brother Wind is going to be the song that I would suggest for your circle time, and I will give you a little demonstration. Are you ready for Brother Wind demonstration? Okay. Brother Wind is blowing in with gusts of twirling air. He's dancing with the rustling leaves and flowing through your hair. And that's what I would keep it at for circle. A really fun one. They can blow, get them blowing their winds. You can also take a silk and have them blow, twirling air, dancing through your hair. It is a really great one. So Brother Wind, I would say, is your circle time song this week. And then Have Courage is a lovely just song for the week to just comfort them, to sing around the table or at any time in your week, really. And then of course All the World You Know is just another just beautiful song kind of about the world of Wondergarten itself. So lovely music there. Our morning activity, in lieu of Play-Doh, we have salt dough. We have salt dough leaf pressing. So this is a precursor to our leaf mobile. So it's kind of a nice swap where we're used to doing Play-Doh, and then we just change this recipe slightly to a salt dough recipe. And then you're gonna roll these out and cut these and press in your autumn leaves here to prepare for your leaf mobiles. And if you don't have autumn leaves, that's okay. You can really use any foliage. This could be a green leaf, this could be a flower, this can be really anything. And then our living arts lesson this day is towel folding. This is just, honestly, anytime I've done towel folding with our groups, I'm always so surprised at just how peaceful it is and how lovely. And you just let them and just guide them on, corner to corner, meet and greet, folding our towels so nice and neat, and just sing and fold. And it's lovely. See how they can stack them and just take the time to slow down. Anytime we've done this, it's just lovely. And you take something that's so mundane for us as moms and becomes a really sweet connection point for our children. So enjoy folding towels with your children. And then day 2, we will be doing our leaf mobile. So this is where we'll be assembling, brush those dried leaf medallions, I guess, with Mod Podge, and you can put them together on your stick to make this beautiful leaf mobile. Our baking day is bread again. So again, this is an intentional, we've done this before, let's do this again. So same recipe, same Wondergarten wheat bread, same deal. You can prepare it the same way, and also gives you another chance if you want to make any changes to how you made your bread the first time, you can do that as well. So making bread, and then our painting day again. Just some crayons, and then a fun kind of themed paint. We're gonna do some watery blue paint with a straw. Let them blow like Brother Wind, blow their paint around, and it's a really fun one, getting their little breath going.